Welcome all. In this video, we will discuss about the major prohibitions in Islamic banking and finance. As we know, Islamic finance is a financial management system under the rules and regulations of Sharia, which we have already discussed about the importance of Sharia in Islamic banking and finance. The major prohibitions in Sharia while doing any kind of financial transactions are Riba, Gharar, and Maisir. There are mainly three prohibitions in Islamic finance while doing any kind of financial activities. They are Riba, Gharar, and Maisir, about which we will discuss now. The first one is Riba. قوله تعالى وأحل الله البيع وحرم الربا. أحل الله البيع, which means Allah has permitted trading. Bay means the trade. It is halal for you. And حرم الربا, riba, which means the interest is haram for you. The Arabic word riba means any increment or addition. So in Islamic jurisprudence, riba is an unfair increment in borrowing or lending money, paid in kind or in money, more than the amount of the loan. So any kind of increment, it may be in money or it may be in goods or any kind or in any kind. Is this type of any increment as a mandate enforced by the lender or willingly by the borrower. So it may be because of an enforcement or with the will of the borrower. Whatever it is, any increment in goods or in money more than the amount of loan is considered as riba or interest in Islam. Riba is considered in two ways in Islam. First one is riba ad-dain, second one is riba al-bay'. Riba ad-dain, debt usury, which is any increment in money. When a loan in any kind of financial loan, when it comes back with some increment, it is known as debt usury, riba ad-dain. Riba al-bay', trade usury, which is an unjustified increment gained by the seller or the buyer if they exchanged goods of the same kind. When you exchange the same kind of goods, same quality of the goods, when it comes back with some increment, it is known as riba al-bay', trade usury. Second major prohibition in Islamic finance is gharar, which is uncertainty. It is lack of transparency and clarity regarding the quality or quantity, price, and delivery of the subject matter in a contract or exchange. So in a contract or exchange, a clarity should be there regarding the quality of the product, quantity of the product, price of the product, and the delivery time and delivery price of the product. So any kind of uncertainty should not be in a transaction, financial transaction. It is also prohibited in Islam. The third major prohibition in Islamic finance is Maisir. The Arabic term Maisir means the easily obtainable wealth by chance at the cost of others, example, lottery and gambling. So the lottery and gambling in such financial transactions were they are the means for obtaining the wealth very easily by chance. At the same time, it is at the cost of others. Many people participate in lottery and gamble, and very few people win it, and most of the people lose it. So those people who win lottery and gambling, they are gaining it at the cost of others. It is also prohibited in Islam.